Hey guys, this instruction video is on how to use Hox3D's wall mount for the LEGO Star Wars Boba Fett Starship, which is set number 75312. So going right into it, Hox3D offers three main styles for this set: the angled style, tilted out version, the angled style, tilted in version, and then the flush style. All three mounts connect to the LEGO ship in the same way using this back handle. So on that note, let's start by showing how the tilted out and tilted in styles work. These mounts have two different connection points, which are these slots, but you will only be using one at a time. The one you use will depend upon what direction you face the mount. To attach the ship to these connection points, flip out the back handle on the ship, then simply slide it into the connection slot. Now in regards to the flush mount, it's the same process. Again, flip out the back handle on the ship, then simply slide it into the connection slot. Thank you for following along with this video. If you need guidance on how to brace your mount to the wall, please watch our tutorial on how to mount Hox3D's LEGO Star Wars mounts. The link can be found in this video's description or on our website. If you have any more questions or concerns, please reach out to Hox3D at hox3d.llc@gmail.com and we will be happy to help.